Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and then a demo review of the strawberry lights. Now these are Christmas lights. As you can see, Christmas bulb shaped lights. They are LEDs. They are fully app controllable. Also, you can see they're dimmable, remote control, color changing, music mode, scheduling, programming. You can control them in the app. You can also control them with remote control or using the hub that's attached. So lots of ways to control them. And they are waterproof. Obviously, they come with stakes, so you can put them in the ground. You could also hang them though as well. So we're going to take a look at what comes in the box, and then I'm going to plug these in and we are going to see them in action. Right away you see you get your controller box, the really long line, and this has buttons on it to control them as well, so you can control them through the remote, through your phone, or through the box itself right here. And you can see that. And then these are the lights. Let's take them out so you can kind of see them close up. And you can see nice size lights. They are plastic, so they're not going to break easy, which is great. And you can see they have the little hook, so you can easily attach these to something. If you're going to hang these from your roof or something like that, easy to do that as well. And then you have the connection here to connect to that hub. And then you do have the full remote control. So you see you have your remote with all these different controls, music modes, various modes. You got your timers, have them come on and turn off automatically. Your dimming, on, off, certain colors. So yeah, fully controlled through the app. I mean through the remote control, but you can also control them through the app. And then you have these little stakes here so that you can put these in the ground. So you can see you have the stakes and these bend down like that. Nice little stakes to easily stake these in the ground. Now, you do also get this user manual that tells you kind of what app to use and how that works, and then some instructions on how to set them up. Now, just so you know, this is a single string, but you can link multiple strings together. So you'll see here you have both ends of these lights have that nice controllable, so you have one that you're going to connect to the hub, but then you can get additional lights, strings, and add to these. So you can add multiple strings to get these long enough to go all the way around your yard or all the way around the roof line of your house or whatever you need. So that's really cool as well. So all right, that's what comes in the box. Now I'm going to hook these up, attach them, get them connected to the app, and then we're going to see them in action. Okay, so now here you see the lights. You can see how beautiful they are right now. They're doing a gradient going through different colors, which is just one of thousands of possible combinations. Real quick, I want to let you know that the the entire string is about 25 feet. The lights themselves are about 15 feet. There's about 7 inches between each light, and there's about 10 feet of cord from where you plug in until you get to the first light, just so you know. Now, I have the remote control right here. I'm going to use this to change some of the, you can see how it's changing to different modes. That's a different mode. That's a different mode. Now, within each mode, you can also change brightness levels. You can change the speed of it. So there's a lot of different options here. A lot of different colors, options. And you can see a lot, and this is just with the remote, and I'm not even really going through a lot. I'm just doing a few, going through a few. You can also just have solid colors, and you can, let's see, do the brightness. You can get it dimmer, you can get it bright, and yeah, lots of different things you can do. You can do the music mode. So as I'm talking now, you're going to see it's flashing brighter as I talk. So if you had music playing outside or around your Christmas tree, then they would be reacting to the music just like they're reacting to my voice. And there's 3 different music modes. So lots of different cool modes there. But besides that, you also got the app. And the app is so cool. We're going to pull that up right now. It's called the Hello Fairy app. Now it connects through Bluetooth. So you just open the app and it'll sense that it's there and go to Bluetooth. And you can see You've got these different modes, so if I choose palm tree, it's like if you're going up a tree, and you can see how it has the different things. Now you see on here there's more styles and speed, so I can change the speed. So if I change it, now it's going to go slower, but I can also change the style by swiping over. That's a different style, and you can see. And again, I can still change the speed to make it super fast or make it really slow. And then I can go to a different mode. So this one just goes through one color at a time, and you can see. And then there's 3 other modes on that. And there's for around the house. You can see, again, you can change the speed, and you've got all these different modes that you can do. So they really have this set up to be used for however you want to use it, you know. Christmas tree, different modes for around your Christmas tree. And again, different speeds you can do. You can go really fast, you can go really slow, or it's just changing slowly, and different modes that you have. You can see that's just one color goes all the way around. You can speed it up. So all these different modes you have, then you have this one, which is just for hanging randomly, like if you're just hanging them up over a certain area. Again, you've got your different modes. Now what's cool is you also got your DIY mode. There's 2 different DIY modes. I'm just going to demo one for you. You can see each light is represented here. So I could, right now we're in the flow mode, so I could pick a different color. Let's pick like a green, really a green, and then I'm going to do those. And you can see that's like a yellowish green right now, but you can see how it's flowing. But then I could change it to flicker. So now it's going to flicker with that. And so then I could go down here and choose those to be. And so now it's flickering with half of them red, half of them that color. And then I can go to breathe. And then I could say, well, I want to do purple. And I could go purple and red. And then I could say, well, I'm going to throw some random white here, here, and here. And now you can see you've got random white. And then you can go to static, where it's just static. Or you can go to flow. You can slow it down if you want to. So, you know, you could use these for other holidays. You could do red, white, and blue for July 4th or whatever. But you can see full control. Speed, you pick your own colors. And then there's a DIY 2, which is a little bit different styles that you have for that. But you can see just so many options. This is really awesome. Just the fact that you've got all these different cool things just built in. The fact that you can use the remote. You can use the app. You can also control it just using the buttons on the box itself. You can attach multiples of these together because if one string is not enough for what you need, you gotta want to go all the way around your house. You can connect several of these together to go all the way around your house and control them all this way through the app or with the remote or however. So really excellent, very cool product. I love these lights. I think they're just awesome. They look good. They're beautiful. The colors are great. And the fact that you can really control them and have just exactly what you want is really awesome. So if you're looking for great lights for the holidays for your house, whether that's around a tree, a fence, an inside tree, the perimeter of your house, or you want to stake them in the ground for your yard display, then these are excellent lights and definitely lights that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below, and I'll be sure to answer you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.